I'm going to be back. I'm going to do this. I don't know if you're going to hear this over there. They got a lady out shooting from the far blue line to put the puck in the hole. Brenda Hewitt, it sounded like. That's a long way. Oh! A goal! She did it! She did it! Unbelievable! Unbelievable! We all thought she wouldn't make it to the blue line. On the far blue line. The lady took a shot. It was straight as an arrow, kept going, and went into the net. Unbelievable. I have been going to hockey games going on 60 years, and I have never, ever seen anybody put the puck in the hole. And I got to guarantee, here come the players of the Warriors out to congratulate her. That hole is the size of a puck, and that puck never wavered, went straight right in. And I know the Warriors got it on tape. I turned the mic on just in time, folks. That was great. I think her name was Brenda. I know her last name was Hewitt, because that's my daughter-in-law's married name, my daughter's married name. Not the same family. She lives in Rochester, New York. But that was amazing.